Welcome back, peer structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is March 15th, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be March 16th, 2021 in London. We did switch contracts for S&P 500, so we are on the M contract for that. We will be reviewing S&P 500 and also gold today, giving you guys some levels that we're looking to play off of for the London session and potentially into the US session. So let's go ahead and get started here. You can see it for S&P 500, we actually did have a nice movement to the downside. And then from there, we actually pulled right back up when it dropped off. So you can see what kind of took place. We had a nice little bit of a double top here. Market came back underneath this level here, and then we started to pull down. Very nice movement to the downside, and you can see a very nice rip right back to the upside to push up higher. So for S&P 500, what are we looking for the London session and potentially into the US session? Maybe a continued climb. Now we could actually see the market maybe pull back a little bit. If we're going to get a pullback, we could look for a pullback either here, very slight minor level, sitting somewhere right around this area right here. I actually have a better level, maybe about 51, not 53, but maybe about 51 even is what we're looking for, maybe right around there. 51 even is a better level for me. That's a very minor level. Now, if we can't hold that level, I'm looking for somewhere right around these 45.50s for a pullback and then a support happening right at that area. Now, if we can't get that 45.50, then probably going to look for either under this area right here, right around these 40s, or beneath that somewhere around this 24 to about 15. You can see very strong support happened here at about 15 with that nice V bottom right off that level. So very good opportunity of trade there for that movement. But for S&P 500, still strongly bullish right now. We are looking for the market to keep climbing. Measured move to the upside somewhere around 39.8025 is my target for the upside movement if we continue up there. But for me, I am looking for a slight pullback and then a continuational move to the upside from there. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on S&P 500. So as we can see right now, looking at this smaller chart, you can see the market is trying to break above this area of that slight double top here, this level right here. Trying to break above this. If we can't turn above that or tear above that level, we are going to try to see that pullback. You can see 51 as a very minor level of a pullback, but if we stall right there, you may actually see the market pop right back up to try to retest and break through. If you can't break that level, looking for right around 54.50, then below that 38.75 to about 40 is my next level to see that support happen. So there's a couple opportunities that we could have here on S&P. If you're looking to short your best shorts, honestly, I mean, I don't know if I'm really looking to short, to be honest with you guys, but if you are looking to short, you can either try this top right here, right where you're at. Again, that's a strong fade move that you would try to do. And if you're not trying to fade it from there, I would definitely let the market come back underneath this level, reject this area right here, right around these 37s, 38s, and then get a pull down to the downside from there. So that's what we do want to see happen here on S&P 500. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at gold, give you guys some trading levels for gold as well. You can see gold is in a nice move to the upside as well, kind of following along suit with S&P 500. Now for gold, we are coming into some levels of resistance, 1734.1 and then 1738.1 as well. Now want to see this market come into this area, hold resistance, maybe give us a nice double top, could be even a triple top, and then come back down. Supports at 25, then 1719.9, then 1713.4. Then underneath that, we have 1706.8 as some next structured levels that we got. Now, if we break through this area here, we are going to look for the market to retest those 38s and then come back down from there. So we'll see. It could continue to climb, to be honest with you. That's why it's best to wait out for the market to get to your levels, structure itself out, and then look to place a trade from there based off of what you're clear about and understanding its pattern movement and its structure itself. Let's go ahead and take a look at a smaller chart here on gold. You can see On a closer view here on gold, we are again gradually pulling higher to try to retest our resistance up above. So I do want to see it retest those 1734s. We may come into resistance before then. Do have some resistance coming here at 33.3. So we may see it start to stall there, but just a matter of being disciplined and patient to wait for the market to come into the levels and then look to trade it from there. Again, best opportunities for me is around these 34s, reject, and then try to get that pull back down right into the level of support. If not that level, then 1738.1 is my next area of opportunity. But with that, guys, that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here and we will get back to you guys. Again, trade well, guys. You guys take care. Have a great night.